Hello everyone, and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today I am coming to you with an unboxing of this very large item, and I'm excited to show you which one I picked. I did put a poll on Instagram and asked you which one you thought I should get, and thank you so much for your participation. I'm gonna go ahead and put the final results up there, and then we will see if I purchased the one that you guys thought I should, or if I purchased the other one. Before we get into it, yes, I still have a Halloween candle here. It is the most adorable Disney Halloween candle and smells so good and not quite done. So just pretend that isn't back there, and let's go ahead and get into the box. Here is the box, which is huge, and you already know that it is a Keepall. The question is, which Keepall did I choose? I also want to show you there's new boxes and new ribbons. Let me do a little bit of a close-up. And the letters on the boxes are a little bit raised, whereas before they were very flat. So they are a little raised, and the ribbon is different. Let me just quickly pull out an old ribbon, and this is what the old ribbon looked like. It has the Louis Vuitton in the orange, and now it has it in the white lettering. I just realized the camera wasn't recording when I unboxed the item, but that's okay. Here is the item, and which one do you think I got? One or two? And the winner is this one right here. This is the Keepall Bandouliere in the monogram Mascara pattern, and let me try and get her a little bit in shape here. And here it gives you a better idea. This is the Keepall with the black leather trim, the traditional monogram pattern. It does have silver brass hardware versus the gold. Double zippers. Nothing on the bottom. Of course, the strap. And let's open. Inside, it's got the regular cotton textile interior. It also has a zipper compartment right here. And other than that, it just is the big compartment inside. And this must be the lock that comes with it. And here is the lock and the keys, also in silver. And let me give you a little bit of a close-up of the zipper pulls. And this one is here it is, made in France. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it. It's very, very hard to see, but there it is. So yes, also comes with a luggage tag, which is removable. You can get it hot stamped, and this leather piece right here that clips both of the handles together so they don't separate if you would like. And I decided to go for this one because I really, really love the traditional monogram print. And frankly, I would have loved to get the traditional one with the vachetta, but I don't want to be worried about it getting all dirty and gross like it will, because this is a travel piece. So I think the black just gives you that carefree bag. And here you go, a little bit of a close-up there. Again, and this is the size 55. And thank you so much for those of you that participated in the poll. I plan on using this for our upcoming trip, and I'm very excited. So this is my new Keepall 55 in the monogram Macassar. Let me know in the comments down below if you own one of these, if you love it, if you use it, and which particular size you have. So excited. And I'll do some mod shots and what I pack in it once I use it. If you enjoyed the video, please go ahead and remember to click the subscribe button down below, give it a like, and ring the bell so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And I will see you soon. Bye.